Okay, looking at the bottom. On top, I have 8 A's. On bottom, I have 3 A's. I can cancel out 3 pairs, leaving me with A to the 5th on top. I have 7 and 5 B's. I have 4 B's on bottom. How many pairs can I cancel out? 1, 2, 3, 4, leaving me with 7B on top. I have 12 on top and 8 G's and 4 H's. On bottom, I have 3 G's and 5 H's. How many pairs of G's can I cancel out? How many pairs of H's can I cancel out? On top, I have a 12 and I have 5 G's. How many H's do I have left? 1. And where is that? The bottom. So remember that. Okay. I have 4 and then I have 11 P's. Let me write this so that you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All over 8 and 6 P's. Excuse me. How many P's can I cancel out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I am left with 4 P's to the 4th power over 8. Or you could write it as 1 over 2, and then that P to the 4th is still on top. Okay, for the last ones, those negatives. I have 6. I have C to the 3rd. And then with the negative exponent, it has to move the denominator. It's got to move to the reciprocal. Okay, so now I will do my expanding. Actually, for this one, there's no point because this is a C, this is a D. We're not going to be able to do anything. This one we will, though. So let's make sure we expand this one. So we have A to the 12th. This is a negative exponent, so it needs to go at the bottom. These are both positive, so they stay where they're at. Okay? On the top, how many A's am I going to write? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many B's first? 3. How many A's? 5. And then B's in the end will be 5. How many pairs of A's can I cancel out? 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many A's do I have left? 7. And where are they? On top. So I have A to the 7th on top. How many B's do I have? 8. And where are they? On the bottom. So that would be my final answer. Okay. Now for this one, I have 4 C to the negative 5th, A D the 0, written 3 times. All right. Now remember, we're moving everything to have positive exponents, and then we'll have one more extra thing with this one. So the 4's are going to stay. This C to the negative 5th will go to the bottom for every single one of these. Okay? So that means on bottom, I will have 8. D is to the 0 power. So we are actually not even going to write that because that would just be 1. So we'll just move our C to the 5th to the bottom. Okay, there are no letters other than C. So I'm just going to say this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5 for a total of 15 C's. 4 times 4 times 4 is what? 64. 8 times 8 times 8 is 512. And if you want to reduce that, you would get 1/8. So it'd be 1/8 C to the 15th. Either one of those work. Okay? Now the last one. We want to write this -2 times, which means we need to do a reciprocal of our fraction. So we will have y to the 11th over x to the -8th. And that'll be written twice. Okay? So again, because this is negative, this whole fraction flips. Now, these two have negative exponents, so they need to move to the top. So I have y to the 11th, x to the 8th, written all right next to each other. This is 11, this is 11, for a total of 22y. And how many x's? 16.